What's up, YouTube? My name is Tariq, and this is my first video. This is my 2008 Audi S5. I'm gonna be installing these carbon fiber mirror caps on there today. So we'll see how it goes. Give you a little walk around of the car. Don't mind the junk in the garage, just moved, so. Got a lot of stuff blacked out on here, so this should make it look a little bit better as far as everything being dark now. So first, I'm gonna start by taking off the actual mirror. So watched a couple videos, I guess you push that in and then gently pull this back out. So I'll give that a go and I will pick it back up. So it actually wasn't that difficult to get the mirror off. Just took a little bit of patience, pulled it back. I pushed this side in and I slowly pulled it out from this side over here. So now we'll start unplugging this and then followed by this, which is the turn signal controller, I believe. All right, so got the mirror off of there. This one actually was not that hard to get off. You basically just pull it up out of its little pocket and then pull down on the little clamp to pull it out. This one actually gave me the most trouble. But yeah, I would recommend holding down on the on this little tab right here, so that way you don't pull it all the way off. But put one finger on there and then just pull off the wire gently, of course. So now I'm gonna start taking off. I'm gonna have to take this out and then pretty much just take out all of the hardware so we can transfer it over to the carbon fiber mirror cap. So like I said, this is the carbon fiber mirror cap that I'm gonna be installing. Got it from German Car Accessories. Pretty good price, only about 200 bucks, so not too bad. And then we're gonna be installing these dynamic LED turn signal lights for the mirror cap, so that should liven her up a little bit, make her look a little bit newer. So I can give you an example of what it looks like now and then get a before and after going. So here we got a before. It's basically just got the silver S series mirror cap and then yeah, regular old signal light there, so should make it look quite a bit better. All right, so I went ahead and got this motor pulled out. Basically, this middle bolt was just a T10, then it just pulls on out. So I will continue to dismantle this and then I'll update you again. I went ahead and removed this screw here and that screw there, and then got to go in and get that screw, which holds in the turn signal. So go ahead and get that one off and then we should be rolling. So after you get all of the hardware done, there's a couple bolts there, like I said, this bolt, this bolt, and I think that was about it. Basically get your trim tool here and come through, basically pull the mirror cap away from the piece that's attached to the car. And it should kind of lift off. So I'm gonna use two hands to do that. And then back with another update. It's getting kind of dark out here, so I'm gonna kind of try to speed it up. But got the whole mirror cap off of there. I'm about to plug in the dynamic LED just to test it out, make sure it's working right. And then I'll show you that. So here's the dynamic turn signal. Yeah, I think that looks pretty sick. Looks quite a bit better than just the regular flashing signal light. Yeah, I think that's it, man. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this button back up so I can finish the other one. Alrighty, I am back. And now, as you can see, it is dark outside, so it's taking me a little longer than I expected to get the LED turn signal in there. It's aftermarket, so it didn't fit quite perfectly, but got it on there now, so need to get this all hooked back up and then get the after shot. So we'll see here shortly. I will say, be careful screwing in the lower bolt. Pretty fragile, these two lower bolts, and then I broke a couple things, but just be careful and you won't have to break anything. Alrighty, just finished up the driver's side mirror and signal. As you can see, I am now pulled into the garage because it is dark outside. Here's what she's looking like. I'm gonna give you a little sample. Signal's looking pretty nice. That carbon fiber looks nasty. Pretty dope. So now, ooh. Now I'm gonna knock out this passenger side. Hopefully I can do it a lot quicker now since I kind of know what I'm doing. So we shall see how this one goes. I might try to record a little bit of me actually doing it if I can find somewhere to put this thing, but I will tune back in a second. All right, I think it's working. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to knock out this passenger side. Don't wait on the fit, got on my Gucci loafers. Let's get it. Clearly struggling, so we're gonna get some tools. Got some rusty old pliers. Should help me out a little bit. Showed you guys all the bolts and stuff from the other side, so I'm not gonna record it, just gonna go ahead and get it right off. I'm gonna recruit this light because I cannot see. Get out the little controller to the motor. You may want to use something like this, little pointy thing. Poke the little release point and pull it off. Clip remover tool, pop it loose. fiber mirror cap. Not carbon fiber. S-series mirror cap. Signal light gone. Alrighty, I already put the signal in there previously, so I'm just gotta put it on there and test it out. Alright, so as you can see, it's now working. Test it out one more time before we put the mirror on. Oh yeah, I think it looks pretty good, pretty nasty. Highly recommend, especially the dynamic LEDs, carbon fiber of course. Sheesh, look at that thing. Other one, V8 baby. I am satisfied. I am satisfied with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and button up this this last mirror, and I guess I'll clean them off after that. All right, guys, went ahead and finished it up, so it's looking pretty good. Go ahead and give you the after shot. Pretty nasty. I went ahead and cleaned it up as well. One more fingerprints on the mirror. I think it's pretty sick. That's definitely worth it. Everything else is now blacked out. I'll go over everything that I have on the car in a later video. More to come as well. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Ain't nobody gonna watch this, but like, subscribe anyway. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks. See ya.